Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Open Instagram and tap the search tab to enter the exact username, then confirm the private profile appears before proceeding. A private profile shows a lock icon and the follow button instead of public posts, so you cannot view media until they accept. Note the profile bio, mutual connections, and recent activity to tailor your message. Write down why you want to connect and any relevant context so your follow request and initial message are clear and respectful. Tap follow to send a request and immediately check if the message button is available. Some private accounts allow direct messages while pending, but many put messages into message requests. If message is available, write a concise, polite 1 to 2 sentence introduction that states your name and purpose, and include context like a mutual friend, shared group, or reason you want to connect. If you cannot message yet, rely on the follow request text and wait 7 days for a response before following up. When you message a private account, your text may go to message requests and the recipient must accept to reply directly. Check the message requests folder for seen receipts and read status. If they accept, continue with friendly, brief messages, state next steps, and avoid more than 1 follow-up per day to respect boundaries. If your request is denied or ignored after a reasonable 1-2 week follow-up, respect the decision. Avoid repeated contact or third-party approaches, and focus on other connections.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.